Namaste everyone. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 miraculous mudras for your knee pain. If you are suffering with any kind of knee pain where you have a difficulty in sitting on the floor, getting up from the floor, you feel knee pain, or probably you have knee pain while walking and while sitting on the chair and while doing any exercise you feel knee pain, or probably the knee pain is so much that you are thinking of going for surgery, then before surgery try these 5 mudras for few days and you might not go for surgery. So let me just show you these mudras. So these mudras are based on Sujok acupressure therapy. As per this acupressure therapy, we say all the knee points are in the middle joint of each finger. So I'm going to give you 5 yoga mudras which you can do on daily basis, anytime, anywhere. So let me start with the first mudra. So in first mudra, you need to take both your hands and try to join all the fingers middle joints to each other, and you're going to give little pressure and hold it this way and try to just stretch your arms outward while putting the little force in the center of each joint, and slowly you give more pressure and release. Again, try to just give pressure and release. Again, try to give pressure on the middle joint, create little friction energy and relax. So do this probably 10 times slowly. So after doing 10 rounds, you need to hold this mudra by joining all the middle joints of each finger and create a little pressure. By giving the pressure, you hold it at the chest center and just take few deep breaths with this mudra. I will suggest you hold 5 minutes minimum in this position with smile on your face. You can do some affirmation while doing this mudra, that my knee pain is getting better, my knees are getting healed up. Visualize yourself walking without any difficulty, without any pain. Visualize yourself doing all the tasks happily without any knee pain, and complete your 5 to 10 minutes. If you're doing 10 minutes, it is very good, but minimum try to hold for 5 minutes. So after doing this mudra, you will release your fingers and try to just do little twisting to relax your fingers, because you will experience lot of pain in this joint if you are having knee pain, because these are the correspondence point of your knees. So after doing this hand squeezing to relax your fingers, we are going to do the second mudra. Which is the second mudra? In the second mudra, you need to interlock your fingers, and this way you're going to give the pressure. Again, try to hold tight, try to make a grip in your finger joints and relax. This way you can do 10 to 15 times. After doing 10 to 15 times, I want you to hold this. You can hold up to 5 minutes. If you feel tired by putting your arms up, you can just hold for a minute or two in this position. Then relax your hands and again give a gentle massage to your fingers and relax. So this was the second mudra. So now I'm going to give you third mudra, where you need to take both the hands and again interlock your fingers, press the middle joint, and now try to cross your hand this way and try to hold this mudra by touching the tip of the thumb this way at the heart center. Hold for 5 minutes again. You can do some deep breathing while you're holding. You can do the affirmations. You can do your visualization where you see yourself walking without any knee pain, or whatever task or work you wanted to do. Visualize yourself doing that particular work without any knee pain. So after holding this mudra for 5 minutes minimum, you will release. And very important, how to release. When you will release this mudra, you will release very slowly. Don't just suddenly release, try to release slowly, slowly. And again, you can just give a twist to your fingers, massage. You can take some oil and massage. You can relax for a while, then you can go for the next practice. In the next practice, I am going to ask you to massage each finger middle joint. So you take some oil in the hand, preferably mustard oil. When we put fenugreek seeds in the mustard oil, it becomes an anti-inflammatory oil. So you can take probably 4 tablespoon mustard oil in a bottle and put 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in this 4 tablespoon of mustard oil, and keep this bottle near you always. And whenever you want to massage your fingers, take some oil in the hand and take the middle joint of your first finger and keep doing some twisting. Make sure you're twisting this middle joint on skin level, not at the bone level. So do not twist so hard where you twist your bone. So only skin you're twisting. On this finger you will massage for a minute middle joint, and if you're having a knee pain, you might feel lot of pain while doing this process. So don't get scared by getting the pain, but you will release your knee pain on daily basis. So probably if you're doing this process now, then you will release 5% within an hour, then probably by evening you will release 10%. Next day you will release 20% of your knee pain. Keep doing this process. In few days you will feel my knees are not having any pain. And now massage your ring finger by taking some anti-inflammatory oil. This is also you're doing for a minute. Then the little finger joint you're massaging for a minute. Center joint with twist. So you need to twist, relax, then again twist, relax, twist, relax, twist, relax. You are massaging only these 4 fingers, and then you will massage the other hand 4 fingers. You can leave the thumb and you will massage this way. Twist, hold, then twist, hold. Twist, hold, twist, hold. Twist, hold, twist, hold. This way you need to massage. Now this 1, 2. So try to do this process 1 minute on each finger. And don't do very hard where you twist your bone, because you need to do this practice many times a day. If you can do 2 to 3 times, because you need to do this practice on daily basis. So try not do any injury in your fingers. Just massage on your skin level. So twist, 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 twist. And then your little finger, you do this twist therapy, twist, and then twist other side, twist other side, and relax. You can shake your hands, you can massage your hand, you can relax yourself for a few minutes. Feel the activation of the point in the middle joints of each and every finger. Relax. Once you feel your fingers are relaxed. So last mudra which I'm going to give you is, you need to interlock your fingers this way, where you just give a pressure on the middle joints, and you just then fold your fingers inside and press it with your both the thumbs, and hold this mudra at your heart center for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep a smile on your face. You can do some meditation or pranayama while doing this mudra. The best pranayama is Ujjayi pranayama, where you inhale through the throat slowly, slowly, contracting the glottis, and exhaling through the throat by making a hissing sound or like a baby snores. You can do this breathing, which will take care of your stress levels, and as well as you're getting benefited in your knee pain with this beautiful mudra. So keep holding for 5 to 10 minutes this mudra in both the hands. You can be comfortable by keeping this mudra down in your lap by sitting in any yogic posture, cross leg, Padmasana, Vajrasana. So try practicing these all 5 practices. If you have a little knee pain, you can just do 2 to 3 practices, whichever you find easy. If your knee pain is quite severe where you need to think about surgery, then I will suggest you do all 5 practices on daily basis to get rid of knee pain. So that's it for now. If you're looking for any other video or any other topic, let me know in the comment box. And if you're looking for any course like mudra therapy, acupressure therapy, face yoga therapy, and gratitude meditation course, then you find the link in the description. Thank you everyone.